Alright, now let's move on to simplifying radicals. Radicals are square roots, right? So we have square root of 100 v cubed. Okay, so what we do is we find the factors of 100 and v cubed. So we get square root. So simply put, we can write 100 as the square of 10, right? So 10 squared times v cubed. Now, the way I would do things, especially with the variables right here, or even just the what do you call it? The factors, like the numerical factors. If you have an odd power like this, I would rewrite it like so. Every time you have an odd power, you're gonna have a radical left over, or something inside the radical left over. So what you're gonna get is 10 squared times v squared times v, because this is the same thing as that. Alright, so if I do the process, 10 squared, alright, if you take the radical, what you're pretty much doing is every time you have an even number, you're dividing the exponent by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So when you do the square root, you get 10 to the 1 power. Alright, now let's do v squared. V squared, divide that by 2, we get 1, so we get v. So what do we have left over? So those cancel. Inside we have left over v. So we have square root of v. So our final answer is going to be 10v times the square root of v. Alright, let's try something else. Let's try, let's see, how about square root of 80 p cubed? Okay, let's try that one. So let's figure out the factors of 80. Okay, so we can do kind of like a factor tree if you want. So obviously the one I can think of is probably 8 and 10, because 8 times 10 is 80. And then let's further factorize. 8 is going to be, well, I think by this point you should know that 8 is going to be 2 cubed, okay? 2 to the third power. Let me rewrite that. 2 to the third power. Okay, and 10 is going to be 5 times 2. So the final factors of 80 is going to be 2 to the fourth power, okay, times 5, because 2 cubed times 2 is 2 to the fourth power, right? Because we add the exponents, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, and then we have p cubed. Alright. Now again, I would rewrite any odd with exponents as an even, like this. 2 to the fourth power, 5 times p squared times p. Alright, now let's take the square root of each term. So 2 to the fourth power, we divide that by 2, the 4 divided by 2, so we get 2 squared, okay? And then we have 5 left over in here. Then we take p squared, divide that by 2, so we get p to the 1 power. Okay, and then we have another p left over. So we have a 5 and a p left over. Okay, so 2 squared is 4 p, right? And the square root of 5p. So that's the final answer.